Hello, everyone. This is Miss Lena coming to you again from Miss Lena's Kitchen. And I come to give you a message. The videos were misplaced of me where I was actually cooking the food on there. Now you see us on the table eating everything, but some of the videos were misplaced. So therefore, you will see. I'm so sorry that they got all mixed up and got mixed up and got lost. But
Hello everyone. The video was supposed to be in a 45-minute video, and I did not realize yesterday until we was looking at the video was only 6 minutes and something. I'm so sorry that the actual cooking of the food on the video got lost. I accidentally deleted it, and I didn't realize until last night I looked at the video that it was only 6 minutes and something. So the actual cooking of the food got deleted. But the video right behind this one will show you the receipts and everything and how much the food actually did cost her. We're so sorry that the actual cooking of the food got lost. But if you want any of those recipes or anything that she cooked, you can find them on her channel.
okay, thank you so much. But we wanted to give you the information, and I appreciate all those that have already viewed the part that where we were eating and everything. But I want to let you know that's the information that I wanted to give. So if you didn't see everything on there, that's one of the reasons why it's not on there. So I thank you so much. Please watch the video, and I thank you all the ones that have already watched it. I'm sure and don't see everything on there. But we appreciate it so much. But sometimes things happen, we can't do anything about it. But keep on watching and I hope the next videos you won't have any problem with them from now on. But may God bless everyone that's watching, and thank you all for all my members and all the new subscribers, all my supporters, all the memberships, and everybody that's come on just viewing them, and all those new ones that has just come in the last few days for picking up on the videos and on the other videos that I have made this week. I appreciate you all so much, and with all my love, I love you, and I want you to know this. This is why I want to come up with this and let you know that what has happened to the videos. But may God bless you all, and I thank you so much. This is Miss Lena from her kitchen. Welcome, and I love you all. But thank you so much. I hope everyone's having a blessed day today. And I'm getting ready to get this video made for you.
And happy Veterans Day to all the veterans out there. We appreciate you that you serve. Thank you for serving our country.
Okay. Okay, my verse this morning is Psalms 28:7. The Lord is my strength and my shield. My heart trusted in him, and I am helped. Therefore my heart greatly rejoice. Psalms 28:7. Thank you so much, everyone. And I hope you will enjoy my video that I'm getting ready to make now. Thank you. Okay, this is a grocery haul of one of the hauls that I had yesterday. All right, and with this haul, I'm getting ready to prepare a meal for 6 in the family under $40. So these are the items that I will be using. Okay, now my receipt here, I'm going to show you the receipt. Now on this receipt, there are 1 or 2 items I do not have, but this was stuff that I purchased at H-E-B. All right, so by them not having, I was going to get just 2 small potatoes and whatever, but I couldn't do it. So I turned around, and because the 2 small potatoes were going to cost me $2, I got a bag of 5 pounds for $2. It was $1.99, okay? So now I will show you. Now on the small fryers that I have here, okay, I purchased 2 of them, and both of them. Okay, so that ticket has about $19 and something on $19.34 on it. So on that ticket, now these 2 items, the 2 small fryers on here that I'm going to be using. One was $6.40, and the other one $6.61. So that's the problem. The meat was going to be costing me about $13, and neither one of them is on that ticket because I could not find them yesterday. I mean, I did find them, but not when I was getting the other things. Okay, so I add the $13 to the $19. All right, and so that gives me 10, 20, 30 to the $19, and another 10 is 29, 30, by $34, by $35 altogether. So, but anyway, I just wanted to let you know that. And I'm all right. Now the items that I'm working on, my cranberry sauce. All these things is on the ticket that I have now. I have all right, my string beans, and I have corn. Okay, and my cranberry sauce. I have a box of cake mix. I have the sour cream, and then I have 2 things of macaroni and cheese, and the celery. I purchased it also another time for 90 cents. So we're still looking at about $34. I'll say 35 altogether with everything. Okay, I already have 1 bell pepper, 2 sweet potatoes, 1 onion, pie crust, and rolls. All this is going to make your dinner under $40. I spent around about $35. But now what I did not include is because almost everybody have eggs and probably canned milk or other things in milk in their house. Most times you do have it. So these are just the basic items that I added to supply in order to put all this stuff together.
And she bought 3 packs of cornbread mix, y'all. It's already in the oven, so we can get started making this meal for this morning. But she did buy what is Martha?
Huh?
What's that cornbread mix you bought, Martha Stewart?
Cornbread mix. Oh yeah, the cornbread mix. I got it at
yeah, but I was trying to think of
HEB. It's not on there though. So that was cornbread mix. That was like it actually I'm seeing about $33, but altogether, even with the cornbread mix, it's still about $35 because they were only like 60 cents a piece. Well, after I got everything added up there, it was like 19, then 13, and then say the cornbread mix was about $1, about $1.50, $1.60.
Okay, yeah, we finna get started.
Add about $35 for everything, regardless.
Okay, y'all, we finna get ready to get started with the meal. We'll be right back with whatever first she's finished. What her first item she's finna get ready to put in the oven.